Hello, today we are talking about the Jungle Book, Smart and Strong. Hooray, we did it! Mowgli shouts. Mowgli has just escaped from King Louie and the monkeys with the help of his friend Baloo and Bagheera. That was too close, says Bagheera. That boy needs protecting. Mowgli doesn't think he needs help. He's as smart as a python and strong as a bear, isn't he? Suddenly, Mowgli hears something. It's a flying squirrel just overhead. Soon, Mowgli is swooping through the trees with his new friend. How about some bananas for lunch? Mowgli asked the squirrel. Let's swim across the river. 1, 2, 3, yells Mowgli. But Mowgli's spine isn't long enough. With a huge splash, he falls into the river. Kaa, the snake, sees a chance for a tasty lunch of his own. Squirrel. Mowgli has to save his friend. He is smart enough not to look into Kaa's eyes. He is also strong enough to tie Kaa's tail to a stone and roll him away. Mowgli, calls Bagheera from across the rushing river. I'm coming, says Mowgli, as soon as I say goodbye to my friend. We saw you rescue that squirrel, says Baloo. You were very smart and very strong, says Bagheera. Smart like you, Bagheera, says Mowgli. And strong as Baloo? I can go round with the teachers like you.